guys! Welcome back to my video, and today is the second day of our celebration for Ate Eunice's birthday. But this time it will be with her friends. But before I continue, please remember to subscribe to my channel and smash the notification bell to watch more videos like this. Also, if you're watching from TikTok, like this video and press the follow button to watch more videos like this. So as you can see, palabas na kami sa aming village and papunta na kami sa SM Ecoland. And will you look at all the beautiful buildings. As you can see guys, palabas kami and from afar you can already see the beautiful Santa Lucia. Actually, para din kaming nasa long travel kasi nasa Comunal kami at papunta kami ng Ecoland. So see you the next few days.
One eternity later.
At ayan guys, we are finally at our final destination at SM Ecoland. At ayan guys, mukhang marami talagang tao rito. Syempre, ang dahilan rito ay bakasyon naman kaya ang daming tao sa kalye. At ayan guys, nakapasok na tayo at ayan, would you look at the beautiful view? Syempre, susunuran natin ang ating magulang at ang mga kasama namin. At ayan, si birthday girl kasama ang kanyang dalawang friends. At ayan guys, nasa escalator na kami. Naghihintay for our other friend na kasama ni Ate Eunice. At ayan guys, papasok daw kami sa sinehan. Joke. At ayan guys, you must be wondering why we are in another escalator pababa this time. That is because we are in the other side of the mall looking for a restaurant. And finally guys, we found our restaurant which is at Chili's. Masasarap talaga ang pagkain dito guys, kaya if you want to try, you can try here. Now Ate Eunice's third friend had arrived and we are here praying for our food. At ayan guys, ang mga food na in-order namin. At ayan na guys, kinakantahan na siya ng happy birthday sa restaurant. Guys, katatapos lang namin kumain and we are on our way to the arcade this time. Guys, papasok na kami sa World of Fun. Now, as you can see, si Vicky na ang nakikita nyo at excited na ito maglaro kasi marami na daw siyang ticket na pwede niya mabilhan ng a lot of things sa counter. At ayan na guys, nakikita nyo na ako kaya nagugutom na kasi ako kaya ako nag-decide na mag-open dyan para magkuha ng pagkain. At ayan, na-disappointed na ako dahil hindi ko nakuha, sayang talaga yun. At ayan din si Ate Eunice, excited din kasi naglalaro na siya and there is her friend. Ayan guys, nakikita nyo ako hesitant na pumasok ng coin sa loob kasi last coin na namin yan and after that, uwian na. At ayan, nakikita na natin na sad na ako dahil hindi siya nagana.
One eternity later.
Ayan na guys, sad to say, uwian na. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Consider giving us a like and subscribe and follow us on TikTok as well to watch more videos like this. Thank you so much for joining us and continue watching until the end. Bye and have a nice day and see you again in our next video.